I'm so hot. Super Boo! Yeah, Brer Rabbit, what is it? Super Boo, I am so hot today. Why? Because it is so hot. It's hot. Bro, it's 80 degrees. Almost hot because it's July. I know. Can I also have an ice cream or something? Yeah, sure, I'll get it. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh, oh my. Did you like it? I love it. Let me drink some more. Wow, I'm glad you like it. Yeah. Hey, could you get some more? But the box is right there. It doesn't matter. Go get some more. Alright. Alright, Brer I got another one, so I hope so you can join them all. Alright. Tastes so good. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying them more. Yeah. "20 minutes later. I'm here. What's going on here? What the heck?" I need more bomb pop. What the heck is going on here, Brer Rabbit? I also noticed I ate a lot of popsicles with bomb pop, and now they're all missing over the bed. Well, there's only two of them, and the box is right here, but they haven't unwrapped it yet. Oh, right. I guess you're right. They haven't unwrapped it yet. I guess it's the only two of them left. Maybe we should just eat it together? Okay, sure. I'll just have a bomb pop. Okay. 5 minutes later. Wow. Some of these bomb pops are really delicious. Yeah. You know what? I kind of feel bored. Just want to relax. You're right. Think I need to relax too. Mm-hmm. Oh, Brer Rabbit? Yeah? I think there's something is growing on my stomach. I'm sure it's hurt, like, something. I think so, too. I think my stomach is growling, too. That's weird. Is there something in there? I don't know. I don't know either, too. What's going on? I don't know. What the? My goodness. It's gonna explode. What? I never seen it. Ah! Ouch. What explosion? Looks like that's a one ice cream explosion. But because they're not even a real ice cream bombs, but they're not. They're just popsicles, alright? Well, hope they'll be better until in the hospital for one day.